Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can spend less on Ethereum gas fees. Ethereum gas is required for every single transaction on the network. Due to the increasing popularity of decentralized financial transactions on the Ethereum network, gas prices have been on the rise. But don't worry, we have some tips to help you save money on Ethereum gas fees. Firstly, you can organize transaction types efficiently by grouping related transactions together. For example, if you have multiple Ethereum addresses and want to store tokens in a vault, it would be more cost-effective to move the tokens from one address to the other and then deposit all of them into the vault at once. Another way to save on gas fees is to use gas tokens. You can mint gas tokens when gas costs are low, and when they are higher, you can redeem them for Ethereum to help pay for your gas fees. This system relies on the Ethereum network storage reimbursement system, which reimburses users for deleting storage variables. Another approach is to optimize smart contracts. The price of Ethereum gas will increase proportionally with the complexity of the smart contract, so it's important to keep the language as simple as possible and eliminate any extraneous parts. Additionally, tasks like whitelist management can be carried out independently of the smart contract. Using Layer 2 scaling solutions can also help reduce gas fees. Congestion on Ethereum's mainnet causes transactions to be more expensive than they should be, so offloading transactions to separate chains can help with scaling transactions. Popular Layer 2 scaling methods include Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon. Lastly, you can use simulation through DeFi Saver to practice making financial transactions and find the minimum and maximum ETH gas cost. This way, you can adjust your transactions to use as little gas as possible. We hope you found these tips helpful in reducing your Ethereum gas fees. If you did, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos related to cryptocurrencies, stocks, NFTs, and blockchain. Thanks for watching.